Qualitative data interpretation is a critical component of research methodologies across various disciplines, including social sciences, humanities, and health sciences. Unlike quantitative data, which relies on numerical values, qualitative data focuses on understanding human behavior, experiences, and social phenomena through non-numerical information such as words, images, and observations. Qualitative data refers to non-numerical information used to describe characteristics, qualities, or attributes. It provides rich, contextual insights into the why and how of a phenomenon. Its descriptive nature offers insights into the why and how rather than just the what. Contextualization emphasizes the specific context in which data is collected, recognizing varied meanings across settings. Flexibility allows researchers to adapt data collection methods as new insights emerge during the study. Qualitative data encompasses several key collection methods, each offering a unique lens into human experience and social phenomena. Interviews involve in-depth conversations that provide rich, contextual insights from individuals. Focus groups are group discussions designed to explore diverse perspectives on a specific topic. Observations entail detailed notes from watching subjects in their natural environment. Textual analysis involves examining written materials, such as reports, articles, and social media content. Thematic analysis is a widely used method for identifying, analyzing, and reporting patterns within qualitative data. It is a foundational technique for making sense of large datasets. Familiarization involves reading and rereading data to become deeply immersed in the content. Coding generates initial codes from the data that represent significant features or ideas. Theme development groups initial codes into broader, coherent themes that capture key insights. Reviewing themes ensures they accurately reflect the data and maintain internal coherence. Defining and naming themes clearly articulates the essence and scope of each final theme. Beyond thematic analysis, other powerful methodologies offer distinct approaches to qualitative interpretation: grounded theory and narrative analysis. Grounded theory is a research methodology aiming to develop theory grounded in the data itself, rather than testing existing theories. Data collection and analysis occur simultaneously and iteratively. Theoretical sampling involves continuously seeking new data to elaborate on or challenge emerging themes. Narrative analysis focuses on the stories people tell, examining how these narratives shape our understanding of experiences and identities. It seeks to understand how individuals construct meaning through their stories. Subjectivity is a primary challenge in qualitative research, as researchers' biases and preconceptions can influence data interpretation. Mitigating this requires intentional strategies. Researcher bias involves preconceptions that can unintentionally filter or skew the interpretation of participant responses and observations. Reflexivity requires researchers to engage in self-reflection to understand how their own perspectives affect interpretations. Peer review involves collaborating with other researchers to provide alternative viewpoints and helps reduce individual biases in the analysis process. Qualitative findings are often context-specific, leading to scrutiny regarding their validity and reliability. Researchers employ specific strategies to enhance the trustworthiness of their results. Triangulation involves using multiple data sources or methods to confirm and strengthen findings. Member checking involves sharing preliminary results with participants to ensure accuracy and resonance with their original experiences. Context specificity acknowledges that findings may not be universally replicated, but are deeply valid within the studied context. Ethical integrity is paramount when interpreting qualitative data, especially given the personal and sensitive nature of the information collected. Confidentiality ensures that participants' identities and personal information are protected throughout the research and reporting process. Informed consent involves being transparent with participants about how their data will be used and obtaining explicit permission. Data use transparency involves clearly communicating the scope and limitations of the data interpretation to avoid misrepresentation. Upholding ethical standards builds trust and ensures the dignity and privacy of all research participants. Interpreting qualitative data is a nuanced and complex process that demands careful application of methodologies, awareness of challenges, and adherence to ethical guidelines. By applying robust analytical techniques and remaining aware of biases, researchers can extract meaningful insights from qualitative data, contributing to a deeper understanding of human experiences and social phenomena. Test your understanding of the key concepts covered in this presentation on qualitative data interpretation. Define qualitative data and provide 3 examples of qualitative data collection methods. Describe the process of thematic analysis and explain its significance in qualitative research. How does grounded theory differ from traditional hypothesis testing methods in research? Discuss the impact of subjectivity on qualitative data interpretation and suggest strategies to mitigate bias. Why are ethical considerations crucial in qualitative research, and how can researchers ensure they uphold these ethical standards?